Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Achieving Alpha. And this is a pretty common question floating across the social media, that is Nifty going to touch 16,000 soon? So what has happened is that if you have a look at YouTube or other social media, everyone is talking about a big breakout and another big bull run from here on. But if you ask me my personal opinion, it's not going to be that easy. So if you highlight this particular term soon, so I would say that the answer to this question is no, because see, we need to understand the drivers behind a particular rally. So I will talk with data points, and it's not like I don't want the market to go up or I have a bearish bias. It's nothing like that. Even I have a decent enough cash portfolio, and I also want that the market should go up, and in the long run it will go up. There is no doubt about that. But you need to emphasize on this word soon. So Nifty touching 16,000 soon looks a little unpractical, to be honest, and I have my own reasons for that, which I will share. So let's have a look at some of the data and try to understand. This will be a very short video, but I think it is important for you to understand, because the institutions and the FIIs want that you get trapped in this particular rally and you start buying. And when you buy a lot and every retailer is turning bullish, that's when they can probably hammer the market, and that's when you can expect a correction. Again, just sharing my views, and I always prefer talking with data points. So there is no need to get personal. And yeah, as mentioned, even I want that the market should go up, and it will go up in the long run. So let's have a look at some of the numbers. So if I show you about some of the numbers here, so you will see that since March 2020, when the COVID fall came, after that the market was kind of going up and in a sideways trend. Then September we saw a net outflow of about 11,000 crores from the FIIs, and since then you will see some heavy buying from the FIIs in the cash segment. And if I show you the monthly chart of Nifty, you will see that this particular candle is for the September, and we closed at around 11,250, and since then you saw that we made an all-time high of roughly about 15,450. So the base behind this particular rally was some very good heavy investment in the cash market by the FIIs, and we need to understand this thing. And if I show you the current month, so in the current month, you will see that the FIIs have a net outflow of about 10,500 crores, and the DIIs haven't bought that actively. So the question that I will ask you is, to the people who think that Nifty is going to become a rocket and cross 16,000 without any hurdles, is that who are these people which are buying? And the answer to that question is straightforwardly the retail traders and the HNIs. And you need to understand that for a very fresh new bull run and for it to be believable, you need to understand that the institutional participation is must, and which is clearly lacking here. So you see that 8,000 crores in the cash market is only being bought by retail and HNIs. And you need to understand that the capacity, the buying capacity of retail and HNIs is limited. And you cannot expect that the market will straightforwardly go to 16,000. Yes, it can happen, but provided the condition remains that the FIIs or the DIIs, either one of them should participate in the cash market. Okay, now you might say that what about derivatives? Let me show you that as well. So in the derivatives also you will see that, okay, let me show you somewhere around the closing of April month. You will see that the net long in the index futures was 78% by the FIIs, with around 73 600 contracts on the long side and 20,000 on the short side. This was when April was ending. And where was Nifty? Let's have a look at that as well. So let me switch this to daily time frame, and let's see 29th April. Okay, so 29th April, you will see that Nifty closed somewhere around 14,900. Okay, and you see these numbers here. Now it's about that May is just trading in its last week, and the May series will about to be closed. And you see the difference here. This is 29th April, 73 and 20,000. And you see that here the longs are increased minutely, but look at the quantity in shorts. It's almost 28,000 more contracts than it was at the time of April. And you need to understand that the net long is down by roughly about 18% in the index. And the activities cash is also not pretty encouraging. So now you can understand for yourselves that what is happening. And you might say why I am not looking at the options data. So I have said this numerous times that the activity in options is most in the frequent or the recent month, the recent week. So basically if I'm talking about options, so I will talk about the most recent weekly expiry. So if I'm taking up a monthly view, I'm only considering the futures data. And forget about index futures, let's also try to understand stock futures. So here also you will see that about 62 and 43, Now here is 79 and 67, but you need to understand that the quantity added in shorts is more, and that in longs is less. So what I can say from here is that when Nifty was around 14,900 and these were the numbers, and today when Nifty is around 15,200 and the numbers are negative, so what do you think? Who is behind this particular rally? Is it the retailer or is it the institutions? So this was just one very short video where I wanted to share some facts and clear out some of the confusion. Again, I'm repeating this for the third time. Don't get me wrong. I also want that the market should go up in the long run because I am a firm believer of long-term investment, and I am still intact on my portfolio, and I would really not sell anything. Uh, uh, Basically, I would consider buying when the market dips. But you need to understand that when every retailer will turn bullish, that could be a good time that these institutions can hammer the market more. Moreover, if you have a look at the FII's history, so after the month of basically April or May, they have a historical record of selling off 30% of what they bought in the last fiscal year, and they haven't even sold off 15% of what they have bought, which is roughly about 1 lakh crores. So we need to understand that that is yet to happen, and I see only retail and HNI participation in this particular rally. So I doubt that it will sustain. It can go to 16,000 once again, but provided we get some support from the FIIs or the DIIs. So this is all I wanted to convey in this particular video. And yeah, this is it for this video then. Hope you liked it. If you like it, please consider pressing the like button. And if you are new here and coming here for the first time, subscribe to this channel for more such content. Thank you so much for sticking around till the end. Have a good day. Take care and bye-bye.